Good afternoon, my name is Andy Dyna. I'm the Fire Chief for the Warrenville Fire Protection District in the great state of Illinois. We operate one fire station. We're just west of the city of Chicago. We just purchased this brand new HP 100 E1 ladder truck. It's going to replace a current 28-year-old E1 ladder truck that needs to be replaced. It's time. We went from a ladder truck without a tank and a pump to this ladder truck that is quint, that has a tank, a 300-gallon tank, and a 2,000-gallon permanent pump. We're very excited to talk about it today. Okay, so we designed this truck with functionality in mind, but at the same time we wanted to address the style. So one of the things that we had a great team of firefighters and officers working on this together. One of the things they wanted to do is out look to it. So we went with the Line-X covering on a lot of the vehicle, the black reflective striping, and if you can see in the back door there, we have the dark tinted windows. It gives it a very impressive appearance, and we're very excited rolling this out in our community. One of the great features of this truck that we really liked a lot is this crossway front bumper. So in the front bumper we have space for two 200-foot 1 3/4 hose lines that are pre-connected. It's low, so it'll be easy, no lifting, stepping up to pull the hose lines. They're already connected. They'll be 200 feet and they pull really nice and easily out of these side chutes that drop down when you open the top compartment. So we're pretty excited about that. We've never had anything like it before. Some of the things I wanted to talk about the vehicle is, I think I said it earlier, this will be our first quint. So when we put this one in service, it's going to replace one ladder truck that's not a quint and one engine. We specifically designed this truck as a 100-foot because we have a lot of setbacks and we have a lot of high-rise buildings, but we also have a lot of congestion and we have a lot of tight spaces that we have to work in. So one of the biggest features that we really like is the short jacking feature. So we're able to short jack the vehicle, reduce our jack spread, and then work off that one side of the vehicle. And lastly, I want to thank our amazing vendor, Fire Service Inc. in Naperville, Illinois, for working with us on this great truck, this wonderful project that we're very easy to work with. And I also want to thank E1 for hosting us here at the facility in the beautiful state of Florida, and going through the truck and working with us to get it just right for us to roll out into our community. So thank you.